Hey, what's up? So I'm back out in the shop. I just posted the last video on my Nova fender repair, and I was thinking maybe I should have showed you guys how I actually make the panel. So that's what I'm going to do right now. So I start off with making a cardboard template. Right here is about a 1/2 inch. That's going to get bent in. This is a 3/4 inch reveal line where the wheel lip goes. And then after I get it all on the steel, I put it in between this wood buck that I made, and I just simply hammer it. So I'm going to go off camera real quick and transfer this and get it all cut out so everyone can see what it looks like. And I'll be right back. All right, so after transferring my cardboard template onto steel, this is what we've got. Now I'm simply just going to take this piece of wood and this piece of wood. I'm going to sandwich this plate in between it, and then we're going to hammer form it. Let's pull that out and see what it looks like. All right, so this is what we've got so far. Nice little arch. Fender's over here to go check it on. Just need to get that wheel lip reveal line. So let's go back and set that up. All right, so now for the wheel lip, the reveal line. All I usually do is move it a little bit over in the buck and just kind of tap it. It's probably not the right way to do it. It's the only way I know how to do it. So let's do it. All right, here we go for the wheel lip. All right, let's see what that looks like. All right, so what do we need here? We need to come back up. Getting there. We are getting there. Use my own thigh like a sandbag. See how that's starting to come around? You don't need a lot of fancy tools. It's only metal. If you mess it up, you can always bend it back. See what that looks like? It didn't really take that long to do. Not the final fit, but it's real close. It's a little bit more working. Anyway, that's how I do it. That's how I did it. Right or wrong, you know, it worked. So don't be afraid to do it. Try it. All right. Till next time.